Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on M1 Finance. First, you will need to set up your M1 Finance account. This involves providing some basic personal information and linking your bank account. You can choose from various account types, including individual brokerage accounts, Roth IRAs, or traditional IRAs. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth investing experience, ensuring your funds are ready to be deployed. Next, you'll build your investment pie. This is M1 Finance's unique way of organizing your portfolio. You can select individual stocks or exchange-traded funds, or choose from over 80 expert-built pies tailored to different financial goals. Assign a specific percentage, like 5% or 10%, to each asset within your pie. This allows for precise diversification and automated rebalancing. Once your pie is built, it's time to fund your investments. You can make a one-time deposit or set up recurring transfers, perhaps $50 weekly or $200 monthly, from your linked bank account. M1 Finance has specific trading windows, typically one in the morning and one in the afternoon, when all trades are executed. This automated process ensures your money is invested efficiently according to your pie's allocations. Finally, you'll want to monitor your portfolio's performance. M1 Finance automatically rebalances your pie, ensuring it stays aligned with your target allocations without manual intervention. For example, if one stock grows to 12% of your pie but you allocated 10%, M1 will adjust it. You can also easily adjust your pie's allocations as your financial goals or risk tolerance change over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.